Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Section G2A-1. My name is Prisminard B. Maratas. The criteria in damage stability. The damage stability criteria are rules and standards ensuring a ship stays afloat upright and safe after hull damage and compartment flooding, defined by IMO, SOLAS, national regulations, and industry codes. Two main approaches: deterministic method. Older standard check survival against fixed damage scenarios, compartment loading with clear numerical limits. Probabilistic method. Current IMO 1 compares a 10 index is sum of damage probability x survival probability versus required index R required K criteria. Final loading state heel angle 25 degrees max up to 30 degrees allowed if no deck immersion. 2. Residual stability. Right arm GZ 0.1 m area under curve 0.75 m rad. Positive stability range 20 degrees past equilibrium. Minimum residual GM 0.05 m. Waterline and margin line. Final waterline below margin line. All openings, no progressive flooding possible. Equalization cross flooding time 15 minutes. Hill corrected to within limits. Intermediate stage criteria. GZ 0.05 m. Positive range 7 degrees. No capsizing while flooding progress. Core purpose: ensure enough buoyancy, stability, and time for evacuation, salvage, prevent sinking or capsizing after damage.